Okay, before we start, I have to lay off few of the class rules. So first, you have to mute your mic at all times so that everyone will not get distracted and you can hear me clearly. Next is to open your cameras so that I can see you and chat responsibly. The chat box is for answering questions and not other unnecessary chats. Not for other unnecessary chats. So VTAMS 15 composes of two parts. First part will be the multiple choice, and the second are the open-ended questions. The multiple choice questions composes 10 questions, while the open-ended composes 15, so a total of 25. So are everybody ready? Are you ready to start for today's session? Give me a thumbs up if you're ready. Okay, let's start. Number 1. Kevin's dog eats only carrots and apples. Last 2 weeks, the dog eats either 3 carrots or 5 apples each day. If it ate exactly 40 apples last 2 weeks, how many carrots did he eat for the rest of the days last 2 weeks? So for this problem, we have to first determine how many days are there in 2 weeks. So for that, how many days are there again in a week? We have 7.
14.
Yes, that is 14. 7 times 2 for 2 weeks, and that is 14
Very good, Dali.
days.
And take note.
So it is asked that how many carrots did he eat for the rest of the days, but we don't know how many carrots. So the given here is that the dog ate 40 apples in the last 2 weeks. So for us to know how many days, what is the exact days he has eaten 40 apples, we have to 40 apples divided by how many apples can he eat in a day? That is 5, right? So we divide it by 5, and that is 8. Now, we already know that the dog has eaten apples or 5 apples for 8 days. Now, to know how many days, for the rest of the days, how many days did the dog eat carrots? We have 14 days, that is the days in 2 weeks, minus the days the dog has eaten apples, so that is 8. Now we have 6. All right? Did you follow? Now, since it is given that the dog eats 3 carrots or 5 apples, so 6 days is the days he has eaten carrots, right? So 6 times 6 days times the amount of carrots he can eat in a day, that is 3, is equal to 18. All right. So the answer is C. So the dog has eaten 18 carrots for the rest of the days in the last 2 weeks. So is that all right? Did you get it? Can we continue? Okay. Let's continue to the next question. Number 2. A girl is 12 centimeters taller than her brother. The height of the brother is 148 centimeters. If the girl is 75 centimeters taller than their cat standing on its hind legs, this is the cat. How tall is their cat standing on hind legs? So we have the given height of the brother, right? That is 148 centimeters. And it is said that this girl is 12 centimeters taller than her brother. So that would mean we have to add her height. Her would have to add 12 centimeters because she is taller than her brother. That is 12 centimeters. That would be equal to how much? 160 centimeters. So the girl has a height of 160 centimeters. Now, the question is, how tall is their cat standing on hind legs if the girl is 75 centimeters taller than their cat standing on hind legs? So what we have to do is to simply subtract the height of the girl to the 275 centimeters, and that would be equal to how much? 85. Okay, 160, the height of the girl, minus the difference of their height with the cat standing on hind legs is 85 centimeters, and that is D. Okay, did you follow? Okay.
Yeah.
Let's continue to the next question. Number 3. 3 eggs are needed to make 4
Teacher,
cupcakes. Yes, yes.
my answer was 85, but I was marked wrong.
Oh, do we have Sir Jom here? Coach Jom.
82. And also when I answered, it also I answered 85.
Also, it is said that um, those will be updated. The questions will be updated, so don't worry about it. Okay? So the correct answer was 85 and not 75. Okay. That fine?
Thank you.
Okay. Thank you. Okay, let's proceed to number 3. 3 eggs are needed to make 4 cupcakes. If Amy used a total of 27 eggs, how many cupcakes did she make? So let us assume or let us note that 4 cupcakes is equal to a set or one set. Okay. So if Amy used 27 total of eggs, then we have to um, divide 27 by how many eggs can she make in a set? Does she need in a set? It's 3, right? Okay. 27 divided by 3 is equal to 9. Okay. So that means that Amy made 9 sets of cupcakes. Okay. Now, we have assumed here at first that a set, here, this is a set contains 4 cupcakes. Now, 9 set times the number of cupcakes in a set is equal to 36. Okay. Is this right? 36? Okay. So the answer would be C. Okay, this is just easy. Continue. Okay, number 4. Which of the following is the correct representation of 2/3? Which do you think these illustrations, these choices, is the correct representation of 2/3? Okay, it is A. All right. This A is a circle with 3 divisions, and 2 of these 3 divisions are shaded, so that is the 2/3. B is 1/2 because there are 2 rabbits and 1 is black. So 1 black rabbit out of 2, or 1 white rabbit out of 2, so that is 1/2. Here, C, there are 9 cells here and 2 are shaded, so that is 2/9. In D naman, it is, there are 5 fruits, or 5, and only 1 is orange, so that is 1/5. So the correct answer is A, and that is 2/3. Okay. Continue. Let's continue. Number 5. Selena sleeps at 9 p.m. What time should she set her alarm clock to have 8 hours of sleep? So we can do counting here, or I'll show you a solution. So from 9 to 12, how many hours do we have that in that? 9 to 12. Sorry. 9 p.m. to 12 midnight, that is how many hours? 3 hours, right? Now, Selena wants to have 8 hours of sleep. So 3 hours, how many hours is needed? If we have from 9 to 12, we have 3 hours. We needed 5 more so that she can have 8 hours of sleep. All right. So that is 12 to 12 midnight plus 5 hours. I'm sorry.
I got it correct.
Okay, plus 5 hours. So we have 5 a.m. Okay. Okay, another way of solving this one is add 9 p.m. plus 8 hours. She needed 8 hours of sleep. So 9 plus 8 is equal to 17. But the clock only has 12 numbers. Am I correct? Do you agree? Okay. The clock has only 5 numbers, so we subtract 17 by 12. And now we have 5. So that means that Selena will set her alarm clock at 5 a.m. to have 8 hours of sleep. Okay, did you get it? So let's go to the next number. Okay, number 6. Alex plants a number of flower seeds 3 days each week. She plants 2 seeds on Tuesday, 3 seeds on Thursday, and 4 seeds on Saturday. Then continues again on the next Tuesday by planting 5 seeds and so on. Following her schedule and pattern, how many seeds would she be planting on the 6th, Saturday? So the best way in approaching this problem is by listing. Okay, we have a list here, a table actually. So her schedule is that she plants every week on these days, Tuesday, Thursday, and Saturday. And then her pattern is that first he started with 2. And every day he added 1. Okay? Then and the next day he added 1. And then he added 1. So her pattern is simply adding 1 in the continuing days. Okay? Did you get that? So if we list it here, on Tuesday he started at 2, then Thursday 3, and then Saturday 4. And then for the next week, on Tuesday, we have 5, and then 6, 7. Then the next week again, in the third week, 8, Thursday 9, Saturday 10, and the fourth week, 11, 12, 13, fifth week, 14, 15, 16, and on the sixth week, 17, 18, and 19. But it is stated in the problem that how many seeds, it is asking of how many seeds would she be planting on the 6th Saturday. So we have to count how many Saturdays we have. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. So she will be planting 19 seeds on the 6th Saturday.
Yeah.
Okay, the answer is B. Okay, everyone got it right. So let's go to the next. Number 7. Along one side of a square park is equally distanced palm trees planted from end to end. The distance between 2 adjacent coconut trees is 4 meters. If there are 10 coconut trees on one side of the park, what is the perimeter of the square park? Now let us remember that the formula for the perimeter is side plus side plus side plus side, or simply 4 times side. Okay? Okay. That is the formula. That is the formula of the perimeter. So in this problem, it is stated that there are 10 coconut trees. So let us assume that this one here are coconut trees. Okay? So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And it is said that the distance between 2 adjacent, this one and this one, is the distance between them is 4 meters. Now to get this, we have to we have 10, right? 10 coconuts minus 1, multiplied it by 4 meters because their distance is 4 meters. We have 9 times 4. Okay, sure. That is equal to 36. Is this right? 36? Okay. Now, remember, or we have to note that this is only on one side of the park. Okay? This is only on one side of the park. And the park is a square, so that means it has 4 sides. So 36 times 4, that is equal to 144. 36 times 4, or 36 plus 36 plus 36 plus 36. Okay, that is just the same. The answer would still be 144. Okay, did you get that? This question is somehow tricky because it was only given a one side of a park. Here is the tricky part. This is only one side of a park. Did everyone get this? Hello.
Yes.
Oh, yes. Very good.
I have to see our the entire the time you taught this question. So no.
Okay. So, I'll discuss it again. Okay. So, the
Fine.
the formula of the perimeter is this one or this one. This is just the same. Now we have 10 coconut trees and minus 1 multiplied by the distance between two adjacent coconut trees here. So we multiply it by 4. It's 4 meters. This is not 4 sides yet. 4 meters, that is 9 times 4 is equal to 36. Now, remember or note that 36 is only on one side of the park. So if we have a park here, a square park, this side is only 36. Now, this side is also 36 since it is a square. It has 4 equal sides. And also here, 36 and 36. Now, we multiply 36 by 4 or just add it 4 times. Okay? 36 times 4 is equal to 144 meters. So the answer is C. Is this understood already? Did you get it?
Yes.
Okay, very good. Okay, can you continue?
Minus 1.
Why minus 1? Because we wanted to um have the distance, to solve the distance between this tree to this tree. And as you can see here, let's count. The distance between them has 9, okay? There are 9 spaces between them. Okay, let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So every time, that is a trick, every time we want to solve for the distance between two objects, that numbers, two objects, we always subtract it by 1. Okay? Did you get that? Okay. Can we continue? Okay.
Sabihin mo ako, ha?
Silok yan? Si Yuki. Si Yuki nandyan? Sige.
Let's continue to the next number, number 8. The 8th day of the month falls on Wednesday. Which day of the week is the 28th day of the same month? Now, in solving this problem, we usually have, yes?
I have to turn off my camera because my brother is like putting his clothes on. I just
Ah.
got take it.
That's okay. That's okay. Okay, where am I again? So, please mute. Please mute your mic, everyone. Okay. So, usually to solve this kind of problem, there are 3 or 2 steps. We have 2 to 3 2 or 3 steps. So the first step that we're going to do is to subtract 28 from the given day, that is 8. Okay? 28 minus 8 is 20. Okay. Now the second step that we're gonna do is to divide 20. There are 20 days between 28 and 8. Divide 20 by how many days are there in a week? It's 7. Okay. 20 divided by 7 is 2 with a remainder of 6. Usually we stop here if there are no remainders. And the answer would be just the same day of the given Wednesday. However, we have a remainder here that is 6. So what we're gonna do, that is step 3, is to count after the given day, and that is Wednesday. So what is the day after Wednesday? It's Thursday. Now we count from Thursday. Friday, Saturday, Sunday, Monday, and Tuesday. So the answer would be Tuesday. Did you get that? Hello?
Yes.
Yes. Okay, very good. So the answer is B, Tuesday. Let's go to the next number. It's number 9. If you write the numbers 1 to 66, how many times will you write the digit 6? So the best way to solve this problem is by listing all the numbers that contains 6 from 1 to 66. Okay? Now we have here 6, 16, 26, 36, 46, 56, 60, 61, 62, 63, 64, 65, 66. Then it says that how many times will you write the digit 6? Now we have to count how many 6. Okay? After listing, we have to count how many 6. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, and 14. So 14 times we can write the digit 6 from 1 to 66. Okay, it is letter D. Okay, is that clear?
Yes.
Next. Number 10. So this is the last number for multiple choice. Okay. Number 10. The vendor sells a bundle of 6 roses for $9 and a bundle of 4 roses for $7. She earned $64 today after selling 8 bundles. How many bundles of 4 roses were sold? So to solve this problem, we usually do trial and error. Okay, it is time consuming, but yeah, we have to do trial and error. So we have to note that she has earned 64 by selling 8 bundles. So 6 roses, a bundle of 6 roses is $9 and a bundle of 4 roses is $7. Now we have to assume that if first, that is trial and error, okay? So first, we have to assume if we have 8 bundles of all 6 roses. Now we have 9 times 9. That is 81. So $81 is just not the amount that we wanted. So it is exceedingly high than the amount we wanted, 64. This is more than. So let us assume if we have if we have five bundles of 6 roses multiplied by its price, it is 9. We have 45. All right. However, we need three bundles since we have 5 and we needed 8 bundles. She sold 8 bundles that day. 3 times the bundle the price of 4 bundles of roses. A bundle of 4 roses, that is $7. That is 21. So 45 plus 21, that is 66. So it is more than $2 from what she has earned that day. So let's try 4. 4 bundle of 6 roses for its price of $9. That is 36 plus 4 bundles of 4 roses for a price of $7. That is 28. We add this one. We have 64. So, how many bundles of 4 roses were sold? That is 4, right? The vendor has sold 4 bundles of 4 roses. Did you get that?
No.
Okay. So, we only have to do trial and error here. Okay. So, can we continue to the next part? Part 2, the open-ended. Are you all ready for the open-ended questions?
Yes.
Okay. Open-ended questions. Number 11. The graph below shows the number of students in each class in Primary 1 at St. Joseph Elementary School. How many students in Primary 1 are there at St. Joseph Elementary School? So to solve this problem, we have to add the number of students in each section. As you can see here, Primary 1 at St. Joseph has 5 sections. Okay? Section 1, 2, 5. Now, we have to add the number of students in each 5 sections. In section 1,
Sir.
we have what?
Copy their answer. What's your answer?
Okay, just type in your answer. 20 plus, in section 2, 25. Then on section 3, we have 25 also. In section 4, we have 20. And in section 5, we have 15. And that has a total of 105. So most of you got it right. So I can see it in the chat. Okay.
Yay.
Okay. Now let's continue. Determine the value of 4 hundreds plus 5 tens plus 8 ones minus 12 ones. Now to solve this problem, we have to express it in numbers. Okay? Now, you can see here we have 400, so that would simply mean 4 times 100. Okay, do you agree? 4 times 100, that is 400. And 5 tenths, that is simply 5 times 10. And that is equal to 50. 8 ones. 8 times 1, that is just 8. And 12 times 1, that is equal to just 12. Now we have to note the operations here. Okay, 400 plus 5, 50, I mean 50 plus 8. Now we have to do the additions first. Okay, minus 12. Now we have here first 458 minus 12, that is equal to 446. Okay. Does everyone get this?
Yeah. Do you wait? Yes. Yes. Yes.
Okay, very good. Let's continue to the next number, number 13. The flaglets along a corridor are arranged in...
I wasn't done with number 12 yet.
Oh, okay. So what's the problem here? Okay. 400. Okay. 400, because we have 4 hundreds, plus 5 tens, that is simply 5 times 10, that is 50, plus 8 ones. 8 times 1 is just 8, and 12 ones, 12 times 1 is just 12. We add this one, 400 plus 50 plus 8, that is 458, minus 12, the answer is 446. Okay, so we're done. Let's continue to number 13. The flaglets along a corridor are arranged in the following on red, red, blue, yellow. What color is the 46th flaglet? So since the flaglet is arranged in this pattern and the number of flaglets are 4, we we divide 46 by how many flaglets are there? 4, right? 46 divided by 4 is equal to 11 with a remainder of 2. So if we have a remainder of 2, that means that the second flaglet in this pattern is the 46th flaglet. Okay? That is color red. Okay. A lot of answers. Yes.
May I go to the bathroom, please?
Oh yeah, sure. You can go. Okay, did everyone get this, right? It's red. Okay. Now let's continue. How long is the red thick line if one side of the small square is 2 cm? Okay, the first thing that we're gonna do is to count how many sides of the square has the red line. Okay, here. So we count 1, 2, let me another color. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, and that has a total of 42. Okay? So we have 42 sides of the square that has a red line. Okay? Now it is said that it is stated here that one side of the small square is 2 centimeters. Okay, 2 centimeters. Now we simply multiply the number of sides that has red lines, that is 42, multiplied by 2 centimeters. We have 84. Okay? Okay. The answer is 84. Did everyone get this right?
Yes.
Okay, very good. Let's continue to the next number. Wait. Number 15. At least how many small cubes are added to make the figure below a bigger cube? Okay, note that a cube has 6 faces. Okay, if this one here is a cube, so let's disregard this one. So this one is one side, these two is another side, this one another side, the side below is another, that is 4. The side at the back of this one is another, that is 5. And the side here is another side, that is 6. Okay? A cube has 6 sides, 6 faces, you mean. Now, the figure here shows that the longest possible side of, yes, Ethan? Okay, never mind. Okay, it is shown here in the figure is that the longest possible side of this cube is 3. Here, you can see this one here, 2, 3. So we can assume that this is the longest possible side of the cube. Now, so to have a bigger cube, so this is not a cube, right? This one as a whole is not a cube. So to have a bigger cube, we will have 3. Since the longest possible side is 3, we have 3 times 3 times 3. That is equal to 27. 27 cubes. So to have a bigger cube, we needed to have 27 cubes in total. We only have here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We only have 6 small cubes, and we have 27. So 27 subtracted by the small cubes we have, that is 21. Okay. So we needed 21 small cubes. We needed to add 21 small cubes to make this figure a bigger cube. Okay? The answer is 21. Did you get that? Is this clear?
Yes.
Yes. Okay. Can we continue to the next number?
Yes. 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 Yes.
Okay.
Yes. Yes.
Okay, let's continue. Number 16. Kyle delivers parcels in a building. He started in the first floor, then went up 4 floors. He went down 2 floors and then up 8 floors. Then he was 15 floors away from the top of the building. How many floors does the building has? Okay. For this question, every time he goes up, we add, and every time he goes down, we subtract. Okay? So Kyle delivers the parcel and he started at the first floor, so that is 1. He went up 4 floors, so we add 4. Okay? Then he went down 2 floors. So we subtract 2. And then he went up 8 floors. We added 8. So, but it is also stated here that he was 15 floors away. So we have to subtract 15 floors from the top of the building. So that is 15. Now, to solve for the number of floors we have in the building, we have T here. T is the top floor. That is, let T be the top floor. We have to transfer 15 to the other side. Okay? So every time we transfer to the other side, the operation, we change the operation. Okay? So if 15 is minus, then if we transfer it to the other side, it becomes plus. Okay? So 1 plus 4 minus 2 plus 8 plus 15. It will now be 15. So what would be the answer? We have, yes, we have 26 floors. That the building has a total of 26 floors. Okay. Everyone got it right, I think. Okay, very good. Let's continue. Wait. Number 17. The ingredients below are used to make pancakes for exactly 4 people. How many people can share the pancakes made by Cassie if she used exactly 4 tablespoons of vanilla? Okay, everyone is answering 16. So let's solve, okay? So these ingredients can make a set, right? So if Cassie has used exactly 4 tablespoons of vanilla, as you can see here in the table, in each set, Cassie uses 1 tablespoon of vanilla. So if she uses 4 tablespoons, then she made 4 sets of pancakes. Okay? Am I clear? Now, if she has made 4 sets, and it is stated here that a set can be shared by exactly 4 people. Now we have 4 sets multiplied by how many people can share in a set? That is 4. That is equal to 16. Okay. Everyone here in the chat is right. 16 is the answer. Okay. Am I clear? Did everyone get that? Okay, thumbs up. I see thumbs up. Now, let's proceed. Number 18. The figure below is a 2 by 2 by 2 cube. How many different cubes are there? So here, this is the cube, a 2 by 2 by 2 cube. So as what I've said earlier, a cube has how many faces? It has, can anyone answer?
6.
6. Okay, very good. A cube has 6 square faces. So in this figure, we have 2 by 2 by 2 cube. So if it says how many different cubes are there, that means that how many small cubes, this one, how many of these small cubes are there? Do you agree? Okay. Now to solve for this one, we have to multiply 2 since there are 2 cubes, 2 sides, 2 small cubes here, then 2 small cubes here, and 2 small cubes here. 2 here, this one, 2 times 2 times 2. Did you follow? I see. Just wait. Okay. Now we multiply, to get the number of the small cubes, we multiply 2 times 2 times 2. So the answer would be how many? 8. Do you agree? 8. Okay. 8. Now, we also have to include here the bigger cube, since it's also a cube, right? It says in different cubes, not just the small ones. Okay? So the bigger cube is just how many? 1. Okay? So 8 small cubes plus 1 big cube is equal to 9. So the correct answer is 9. Okay? Okay, class. Since
Yes,
it is also that
teacher.
everyone, yes?
Daddy, ano to? Teacher,
Yes?
the correct answer is a different number.
What?
5
Oh,
in the exam.
okay. Here, Sir John.
Oh, don't worry. There is a typo in the class marker, so we
Ito,
forgot to change. So it's actually a typo. So the correct answer is 9. There was a typo. Don't worry, ha. It will be checked manually. So the correct answer is 9. Just follow Teacher Jean.
Okay. So is that clear? Okay. So it is already 10:59. So we can use a break, 10-minute break. Is that fine with you all? Okay, so we will meet again, or please be back at 11:09. Okay?
Okay.
You can use this break for water breaks or break or CR. Okay.
I'm
See
eating
you.
nugget.
Is everyone ready to continue?
Yes. Yes.
Okay. So I saw in the chat, someone was asking,
Okay.
why did we add 1 here? It was 8 plus 1.
What?
Yeah, I saw in the chat. So we added 1 here because there are 8 small cubes, okay? 8 small cubes. That was 2 by 2 by 2. That is equals to 8. But the total number of cubes, we have to include the bigger
There it
cube.
is.
Okay, we have to include the bigger cubes. So that is the bigger cube, that is 1. Okay, so we have to add 1. So the answer is 9. Is that clear?
Okay.
Okay, let's continue.
Huh?
Number 19. How many two-digit numbers are there such that the sum of its digit is 9? Okay. Now, since we are looking for two-digit number, we have one-digit number plus a one-digit number that is equal to 9. Now, first, let us list all the addends that would equal to 9. Okay? So we have 1 plus 8, or 8 plus 1, that is just the same. 2 plus 7, or 7 plus 2, that would be just the same. 3 plus 6, or 6 plus 3. 4 plus 5, or 5 plus 4.
Why did you say that?
Okay? Now, since we looking for a two-digit number, we have to add this one.
Someone just
So if 1 plus 8, that is 18, right? 18 or 81. Excuse me. 81. Do you agree? Hello?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
2 plus 7, that would be, if it would be a two-digit number, it would be 27 or 72. For 3 and 6, that would be 36 or, yes, can you unmute? I don't know. Mute, unmute. And then 36 or 63.
Mute myself.
Then for 4 plus 5, that would be, if in two digit, 45 or 54. 54. We also have 9 plus 0. Okay? 9 plus 0. But if we have 0 and 9, so that would be 09. That is just simply 9. Okay? That is simply 9. So a two-digit number for 9 plus 0 is just 90. Just only one, since 09 is a one-digit number. Okay? Did you follow? Now, we add. How many? We have here 1. We have here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So the answer is 9. There are 9 two-digit numbers that the sum of its digit is 9. Okay. Okay, the answer is 9. Okay. Did everyone got it right? Is this clear? Hello? Yes, okay. Let's continue to number 20. Okay. Number 20. Write the following addition fact into a multiplication fact. Okay, this is just easy. Since if when we multiply, when we solve a multiplication fact, we just simply repeat the number. Okay? Adding what do you call this? Add it in repeats, okay? So if we have example, we have 3 times 3. We have to add 3 times. Okay? 3 times 3 times. So 3 plus 3 plus 3. Is that right? So here in this problem, we have how many 6? 7. So the answer would be 6 times 7 equals 42. Or 7 times 6. Yeah, or 7 times 6 equals 42. Simple, okay? Can we continue? Let's continue to number 21. Okay. Based on the figure below, what number should replace x? What do you think? Write it in the chat box. Okay. Okay, I see 5. 5. Okay, so let me explain. As you can see here, number 3, the x is attached to number 3, right? This one is attached to the ball with the number 3 inside because of the spaces. Oh, it's okay. It will be checked manually. Okay? If it was wrong just because of the spaces, don't worry. Okay, let's continue. So as you can see here, x is attached to number 3. And number 3s there, here, the balls with a 3 on it is attached to number 4. Okay? So number 3, the other 3s here, there are 2 3s, right? The other 3s are attached to a green ball with a 5. So this ball with an X here should be replaced by a green ball that contains 5. So X should be replaced by 5. No, it's 5. The answer is 5 because as you can see here in the pattern, these three balls were attached to a green one, to a red one, and also to a green one. Okay, so the answer is 5. Is this clear?
Teacher, why is it not 4?
What?
Why is it not 4?
Okay.
My parents.
Okay. So the common the first or the base here is that it is 4. But however, the other 3 here, the other 3 balls here, this one and this one, the yellow balls are attached to 5. And we can already see that this ball is already attached to 4. This 2 and this 2 is already attached to 4. So the 3 ball, the yellow ball is attached to a red ball and a green ball. Okay? If this is 3, then this one is 4 and this one is 5. Okay? So if this is 4, that is already wrong because the yellow ball or the number 3 ball, it will be attached to both red, and that is not the same to the other 2. Is that clear? Okay? Okay, thank you. Can we continue to the next? 22. Okay, let's continue to 22. What time will the clock show in 65 minutes? So what should we do here? First,
5 minutes actually.
first we have to
it's 75. Yeah.
what?
It's 75 minutes, not
Yeah.
75.
75, sorry. Okay. What time will the clock show in 75 minutes? Okay. So first that we're going to do is to express minutes into hours. Okay? Do you get that? So in 1 hour, we have how many minutes? 60 minutes. Is this correct? 60 minutes. Okay. Now, we have here 75 minutes. So 75 minus 60, that is 15. So we have a total of 1 hour and 15 minutes. Do you agree? This is minutes. So, adding this one from this picture below, from this illustration, the answer would be, what does the clock says? It's on what time? Hello, can anyone answer?
PM.
It's
3.
this one here, the clock here. It says what time? It says what time? It says 2.
O'clock.
Oh, yes, it says 2 o'clock. So 75, we know here that 75 minutes is 1 hour and 15 minutes. Okay? So we add 1 hour here. So the clock would be this one here, 1 hour, the long one, and then 15 minutes. The short one, I mean, here. Okay? So the answer would be 3:15.
15. Yeah.
Okay. Everyone got it right. Can we continue?
Yes. Yes.
Okay. So how many bricks are missing?
How many?
If this one, wait. If this brick here is
4.
1 brick,
4.
4. So why? Why 4? So there is a pattern here, okay? As you can see here, this one is the same, this one is the same, this one is the same, and also this one. And we can also assume that this one is different, is the same with this one. Okay, but we can clearly count here. So if this one and this one is the same, the missing brick here is how many? 1, okay? And if this one, and this one is the same, the missing brick here is 1. And also if this one here, and this one is also the same, then how many bricks are missing? 2. So if we count it, we have 1, 2, 3, and 4. Yes, this is just too easy. Okay. Can we continue?
Yes.
Yes, everyone got it right. Number 24. A directional. Okay, we're almost done.
Buildings. It's the
Can you
direction of the buildings using its building numbers. Buildings.
Please mute your mic. Please.
Yes.
Please mute. Okay, number 24. A directional signage is up along a street of buildings. It indicates the direction of the buildings using its building numbers. Buildings with building numbers from 212 to 232 are to the left, and the directional signage while buildings with building numbers 233 to 258 are to its right. How many buildings are there along the street? So what are we gonna do here? We have two subtract the number of buildings from the left, then we add it to the difference of the buildings on the right. Okay? So we have 232 on the left, we have 232. Sorry. 232 minus 212. Okay, but the answer here would be 20. So that is wrong because when we count, we have to include all of the rooms or the number of the building. Do you copy? Do you follow? So when we count, we have to add 1. When we count the number of buildings, we have to add 1. So the answer would be 21. So this is the buildings to the left. So the buildings to the right is 258 minus 233. And we also add 1 here since we wanted to count the origin or all the buildings in the left, to the right. So the answer would be 26. Now, how many buildings are there? What are we going to do? We simply add the number of buildings, this one, the number of buildings sa left, and the number of buildings in the right. So 21 plus 26 is 47. Okay. So there are a lot of answers here. 47, 47. Okay. Did everyone got this? Is this clear?
Yeah. No.
No? Okay. 258. 200. Oh, sorry. What about 258 minus 212 plus 1? So that is just the same. Okay. You can also do that. So is this clear? Crystal clear? So let's continue. Give me a thumbs up if everyone is ready to continue. Okay. So the last number, 25. So after this, if there are numbers that seems to be difficult for you, we can review it since we have a lot of time. Number 25. How many halves make up 30 and 1/2? Okay. Let us note that it is 30 and 1/2. So how many halves are there in A1? It's 2. All right. So 2 multiplied by 30, this one here, that is 60. But it's stated here that it has and 1/2. So that is another one, 1/2. Okay, so 60 plus 1 is 61. Okay, the answer is 61.
Teacher,
Yes?
I answered 61, but I'm wrong.
Yeah, maybe it's the same problem with the previous question. There is a typo, but it can be resolved. It is already resolved. So it will be checked manually. So it
I
will
got
be
wrong.
Hmm? You got wrong. Yes, the correct answer is 61. So no problem with having 61. If your answer was wrong and you answered 61, then don't worry because it will be checked. As Coach Jom has said earlier, it will be checked manually. So it will be right. Okay, the correct answer is 61.
So can we is this the last one?
Yes, but if you have questions, if there are
Can we
uh
answer the email?
no, not yet. We can end this meeting at 11:50. Okay?
Okay.
So, if you have difficulty on what number, please tell me so that I can explain it further.
I swear, if anyone has a question.
I think someone said that someone hasn't understand this question. Wait.
Seven.
I think it's this one. Is this clear for you? The one I had number 15. Okay, number 15, number 14. Sorry. 14. Okay, first 14 first. So this is just easy. You just have to count the number of sides. Here the number of sides where there is a red line, red thick line. So this one here is one side. Let me get another. This one here is one side. This one here is one side, one side, one side. So we have to count how many sides does this red line traverse. This is red line cross, okay? So this has a total of, okay, let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42. So there are 42 sides that where the red thick line has crossed or made its way, whatever. Get the red. 42. And in the problem, it says that a side here, this one side is equal to 2 cm. So we multiply it by 2. Now we get 84. Okay?
Sir, can I get the water in first?
Okay, sure, you can. Okay, the number 15 also. Number 15. Is this clear na for everyone? Number 14.
Yes.
Okay. Number 15. 15. Okay. So, just wait. The cube, a cube has, yeah, okay, let me draw a cube here. Excuse me. A cube has 6 square faces. Is that right? So, one here, one here, one here, one here, this one, and this one in the front. So, it's a total of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay. Now, the problem is asking for how many small cubes should we add to make the figure below this one a bigger cube. Okay? Now, it is, we can see here, this one, this part here, the back, that it has 3 small cubes. Okay? 3. So, we have to have a bigger cube, we have to use this long side of the cube, this one, these 3 small cubes, as a base, or we use this one, the 3. Now, to solve for the sides of a cube, we simply multiply it 3 times. Okay? So 3 times 3 times 3 is equal to 27. Oops, sorry. 27. And since, again, the question asked of how many small cubes is to be added to create a bigger cube. And we only have here how many small cubes? We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. So we subtract 6 from 27. 27 minus 6, we have 21. So this is the amount of small cubes needed to create a bigger cube. Okay?
Teacher, can I just my lola lang?
What?
Nito po may lola lang.
Okay. Just mute. Okay. Is this clear? 17, 14. Number 20, it should be number of groups and number of elements. So number 20. So let's see, number 20 is number 20. Number of groups. How many 2 digits are there such that the sum of its digit is 9? Is this true? What? Number 20 is this. It's 19, sorry. 19, 20. Yes, number of groups times the number of elements. 7, that is 7 times 6, or 6 times 7. 7 times 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Maybe 21. Yes, you can eat. Just mute your mic. Number 21. So there is a pattern here, if you can see. Number 21. For this, we get another color. This one here is attached to the 3s. Okay? Hello? Sorry. This ball here is attached to these 3 balls, which contains number 3. And as you can also see that on the other side of this ball, there is another ball that attached to it, and that is this green ball. Green ball with a 5 number. Okay? Did you see that? Hello? Is everyone there? We will end at 11:50. Don't worry. It's almost time. Okay, so as you can see here, on the other side of the yellow ball is
Understand. Sige, makinig ka lang. Okay?
okay. So the other side of this of this yellow ball, there attached a green one here, green one and a green one. So we can say that the one attached here in this side, in this ball, is 4 because it is already attached to a 4, which is which would make it incorrect because 3 should be attached to a green ball. A yellow ball should be attached to the green ball, and that is 5. Okay? So the answer should be this green one. Okay? Wait. Oh, there is also another pattern here. We can also use this one. As you can see, let me erase. As you can see, we have 4, we have 3, we have 5, and we have 2. And that is an arrangement, okay? So from here naman, we have 4, we have 3, we have 5, and we have 2. So we have this sequence: 4, 3, 5, and 2.
2.
Okay? So it is safe to assume that here, given that the other 2 has the same pattern, so this also has the same pattern, okay? So this one here, 4 here, should be 3, 5, and if there is another ball here, that would be 2. So, but we are looking for this one here. We're only looking for this one. So the answer is 5. Okay?
What's the correct answer?
The answer is 5. Okay? Did everyone get that already?
Yes.
Let's go to this. Okay, let's you go to 18, please. Okay, let's go to 18. Okay, this one. Okay, this one. So as what I've said again earlier, that a cube has how many square faces? How many? Is it 5? It's 6. Okay. Sorry, should read. 6. Okay. So, in this figure, it is said that it is a 2 by 2. Okay, I'll just never mind this one, the 6. Okay. In this figure, we have this cube here is a 2 by 2. Okay, 2 by 2 cube. So that would mean that there are in this one here, this side here, it has 2 cubes. 2 small cubes. Then this one here has other 2 small cubes. And this one here is another 2 small cubes. Okay? Do you get that? Now we have to multiply it all, these 3 sides. Just wait. Okay, sorry. I have to drink water. Okay. 2 times 2 times 2, that would be equal to
27.
8. Okay, so if we count, let's count so that you can see. Okay, let me erase this one. Let's count the small cubes, okay? We have here 1, we have 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
Ilan yan?
Okay? Then we have 7 here. And if we rotate it so that we can see, okay? We have 7, and just below 1 or at the back of 5, we have the 8 cube. Okay? We can see it. You can just imagine the cube, okay? But it says here how many different cubes are there. So this one here is already a cube. Okay? So we have to add 1.
Plus 1.
Okay? The bigger cube, we have to add the bigger cube. That is 1. Not only the small cubes. Okay? This one is just the small cubes. Now, if we add 1, then that would equal to 9. Is this clear?
Yes.
Yes. Okay. Okay. So, is there any questions? Other questions? None? Are you sure?
Yes.
All clear?
Yeah. Sister, it's almost my birthday.
Oh, advance happy birthday. It's also my birthday today.
Oh, happy birthday.
Happy birthday.
Thank you.
February 1st, my birthday. Happy birthday. It was
Thank
my
you.
birthday last night.
Oh, hello.
Happy birthday.
Birthday. Thank you.
Coach.
Okay, since you don't have any questions, we can end this meeting. I hope that you have learned a lot today in the session.
Yes.
Session, okay? Okay. Bye.
Thank you.
Bye. Thank
Bye-bye,
you.
the best teacher.
Thank you.
No, number 24 na. Tapos na si ano?
Classmate.
We wait.